Hello guys, it's Keep here, and in today's video we're going to install the macOS Sequoia 15.3 and let's get started. So today I'm going to show you from creating of EFI with OP Core Simplify, and then I did a video on this, but today I'm just going to go through it, and after that we can install our macOS Sequoia. I'll leave all the link in the description below so you don't have to worry about anything. So first of all, let's go to the requirements. First we need to have the OP Core Simplifier. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also you need to have the image of the Sequoia 15.3 and you need to have property. So Explorer plus plus, that's an added advantage, but I don't think that one is something that we can do, we'll need, but I'll just leave it there. So let's get started. First of all, let's download the OP Core Simplify. Let's download it, and then I'll just move it to desktop so that we can create our EFI. So let me just add here, and let me just make this one into large icon so that everyone can see. So let me just move this here, and this config.plist, I'll just need it for the platform properties, something I'll just show you. So that's somewhere where OP Core Simplify doesn't add. So let me just extract it here and move it here, and then I'll just extract the property. So I'll not be needing this, I'll just delete them. So let's open our OP Core Simplifier and run the OP Core Simplify.bat. Let me move this one right here. And one thing, you need to have internet enabled. So you can see right here, first I'll go with option number 1 to select my hardware report. So, and you can see it will download here the hardware sniffer, so that it can sniff my CPU info and everything. So I'll just export, I'll just press E and then export it, and then we'll wait a little bit longer for it to export. You can just see at this end. So okay, so it has just done with the exporting everything, and you can see checking compatibility, and my CPU info is i3-6100. It supports up to macOS Sequoia 15. GPU is Microsoft Intel HD 530, support macOS Sequoia 15, and also the sound, the network, but my Broadcom network adapter support up to macOS Ventura, and then continuity support the full airdrop handoff, universal keyboard, instant hotspot, OCPA compatibility, macOS Sonoma, and so Sequoia. So you can see my storage, SATA Sequoia, and NVMe also Sequoia. So let me just press enter to continue. So here you can see it has just give me the number of the default one is macOS Monterey, but I'll just choose number 24 right here, and then So after I've just selected that, you can see the SM BIOS is iMac 17,1, but I'll just go to option 5 and then I'll change the to iMac 19,1 or 20,1. So let me just choose 22 for iMac. Let me just choose that option. Let me just, you can see down here, and then I'll hit on enter. So you can see right here SM BIOS has changed to iMac 20,1. So after that, I'll just press on option 6 to build an EFI, and we'll wait for it to do its thing. So you can see it's downloading the kex and everything from the Dotania repository. So let's wait for it to finish. And it's almost done, guys. Okay, so here we have to choose our codec layout. So I know mine is 12, so I'll just go with layout ID 12, and you can see the message there and the pop-up right here. It says this is my EFI, and yeah, and after that you need to just map your USB kex and stuff. But for me, I did that on my previous, and I have the kex with me, so I'll just, okay, so let's just hit on continue, and I'll just hit on option Q to quit and enter to exit. So this is our EFI right here from the results folder. You can see we have the results right here, and this is our EFI. So let me drag it to the desktop and close it. So I will not be needing this one. I'll just delete that one. So if we open our EFI right here, you can see everything that the tool has just created for us. If we go to kex, you can see we have the MFI kex, we have the iOS Skywalk, legacy, everything is here. So let me just add my other 3 kex that I'll be needing, the one with USB. So let me just drag it there. So this I'll use to tether my Android device to the Mac, and this one is for USB. So everything that there is done. Let me just fire up my property, and just open our config.plist right here. Sorry about that. Let's open the file and then open. So let's go to desktop and our EFI OC and config.plist, and there we go. We have our everything that's created for us. If you go to SCPI, you can see all this right there, and yeah, so here I'll just need to change this this one is for, I'll need to change this, so that's why let me just open another one. Let me open the one that I use for my Ventura. So if you go to device property, you can see right here the device ID is different. So I'll just need to copy the children, and then I'll just paste. So here we'll just need to delete this one, and so sorry, we need to delete this one, and we need to add this one right there. So, and then this is just the device ID, like so. Oh, and then we need to frame buffer mem, we need to delete this one, and also we need to delete this one. So this one is perfect, so I'll just need to save, and then I'll just need to delete that one. So, and then after that I'll just come here to OC clean snapshot, and then I'll just select the EFI, and everything will be just perfect. So if you go, you can see our everything is okay. If you go to, you can see our cakes has already been there. So I'll just save it and then close it. So our EFI is ready. So the next step we need to do is we need to create our bootable USB. Let me just fire up my Balena etcher, and then from there we can just, so we'll just open it, open the file, just open the Olarilla 15,3. So I know it's somewhere here. So here it is. So let me select the image and select my USB, and then flash. Okay, so it will start to flash, and I'm not going to let you see all this, so I'll just pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay guys, so it's almost done validating our USB. You can see the pop-up right here which said, do you want to format? So I just need to cancel it. So, and there we go, and the flash is complete. So we just need to close this one. So here is our EFI, and that's when Explorer ++ come in, and mini tool partition. So I'll just need to open my mini tool partition, and then I will look for my USB. This is my USB 64 GB flash drive. So I'll just need to change the letter right here, and then I'll just click on OK, and then apply. Okay, so I'll just minimize this one and run Explorer ++ as an administrator, like so. And then we change our EFI to L right here. So I'll just need to delete all these ones. Okay, so we need to go to our desktop and copy our the EFI that the OP Core Simplify created. So just copy it and then come to L and then paste it there. So, and just like that, our USB is ready. So the next step, we're going to install our Sequoia. So let me just make sure everything is okay. And yeah, so we're going to install the macOS Sequoia on this USB right here. So not USB, this SSD. So that's that. So everything is fine now. Our USB is ready and everything. So let's go to the installation. And yeah, let me just stop the video and then I'll restart the machine and go to my phone and we can continue. Right guys, so let's start our machine and hit on F12 keyboard. And as you can see there, we have our USB, the Kingston Data Traveler. Just select it and then you'll be greeted with something like this. So let me just hit on the install macOS Sequoia. Just hit on enter. And you can see down there the bar at the bottom. There we go guys. So let me just zoom in and try to focus. Okay, so yes, okay, that's perfect. So let me just select the boot disk utility right there and then hit on continue. And here I have my SSD, so I'll need to format it to format this macOS Sequoia alone. So let me just erase. And I'll just name it macOS and then I'll just Sequoia SQ. So let me just put on the caps lock. Let me just try to focus this. Okay, so let me erase it. Sorry guys about the quality of this phone camera. So that one is done. And let me just click on done. Then I'll just come here and close this utility. Head on and install macOS Sequoia. So click on continue. And you will be greeted with something like this. So hit on continue again. Let's wait for it. So you have to agree with Apple's terms and condition. agree, and then select our macOS that we just created the disk. So continue, and yeah, there we go. We have about 20 minutes remaining, so I'll just pause the video. I'll not show you all this boring process, so I'll see you when it's done. And it has just restarted, and now it will boot from macOS Sequoia. Let's click on enter. Let's wait for it. And you can see the bar down there, so that's a good sign. Let me just pull that keyboard away. So any moment from now we will see our mouse cursor. So, and there we go, guys. So this is our setup screen. So let me set my country right there. Click on continue, and then I'll just leave it like that, but I'll just set up later. So I don't have a Ethernet connection right now, so I'll just choose my computer does not connect to the internet, and then I'll click on continue, and then you can just hit on continue. Data and privacy, continue, and click on not now, and let's wait for it to spin a little bit, and we need to agree to Apple terms and condition. Agree, hit on agree, and then I'll just set my user, continue, sorry about that. This is the village, so you can hear a lot of animal noises in the background. You don't have to worry about that. Alright, so continue, and I don't need to use the location, so let me just choose right there. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, continue. I'll just uncheck this one, continue. I'll set this one later, and like dark mode, and then just go with light mode, and there we go. Welcome to Mac. You can see down here, you can click on continue, and there we go, guys. Our macOS Sequoia is ready, and he just installed it. So let me just click on there, and done. So this is our macOS Sequoia. So I'm gonna go to the screen recorder, so we can continue from there. So it is 10:24. Okay guys, so before we continue, I need to tell you that I don't have a Ethernet connection or a Wi-Fi, and this Sequoia does not support Wi-Fi. And I have this pocket Wi-Fi device right here. So I'm gonna test it right now and see if it's connect, so that you guys don't say where did you get the internet from. So let me just connect via my just normal USB. So let me just do it like so. And so there you go, you can see it's connected. So let me go to the screen right here and see if it has detected that device. Go to network and we have nothing. So that's something I'll just need to work on it, or I can just use my what do we call it, my phone, to data the internet. So but there we go, it has just appeared. I'll just unplug and plug in my, and you can see this is a Unisoc phone. So let me just head on to my screen recorder and then we can continue, and then we install the Wi-Fi drivers. Let's change to my screen recorder, and you can just open your USB and then copy the files that is included there, or you can just download it, so it's up to you. So I'll just open right here, and then I'll just need the open core configurator. I'll just drag it to the application. Also I'll need the hacking tool, EFI mounter, and then about this hack right here. So this I'll just be needing it later, and also this one just be needing this tool. Just add them there, and yeah, so I just need to transfer the EFI from the USB to my SSD. So what we need to do right now, we just need to open core configurator, and this is our SSD, the 512 GB, and this is our USB. So I'll just mount the USB, and also I'll just mount the SSD. So I'll just copy this one like so, and then open this and just paste it there. So guys, that one is done. I'll not be needing this USB, so I'll just eject them and just eject all. So after that, I'll just need to restart my machine, and we'll boot from the EFI that we'll just copy, and not from the USB. So I'll just do that. Let me just close the video. I did not save it, so I'll just redo it again. So sorry for that. So let me just, you can see right now my Wi-Fi is not working, and I am using the Wi-Fi that I showed you earlier is connected. So you need to have on there is a cake that name is tricky one, so you need to have it installed, so you can just use it via you can see the Bluetooth is working. I think the Bluetooth is working. So let's go continue to fix the Wi-Fi right now. So first of all, you need the cakes. So let me just first mount my EFI. So you need the Wi-Fi cakes if the OP core simplifier did not install it on your EFI, but the OP core simplifier actually installed the cakes on the EFI, and you can see they are right here. So that's good, but if you don't have, you can just download it. You can head on to Open Core Legacy Patcher, and then you can just go to, let me just move back, just need to go to the repository of Open Core Legacy Patcher, and then go to payloads, and then cakes, Wi-Fi, and then you can just download them. You have the IO Skywalk and IO Legacy family for the Broadcom wireless. So let's just continue, and yeah, so let's open our EFI and Open Core Legacy or Open Core Configurator, and then go to kernel. So you can see right here it has been disabled, so you just need to enable them. And also on the block tab, we need to block the IO Skywalk downgrade, so just like so. If you don't know how this is done, I'll just leave this link in the description, so you can just come here. This is the Hackintosh note, so you can just, you need to add this CSR active, so come to NVRAM and you need to add this. So that's one is done. So yeah, everything is okay. I've enabled it, and yeah, so let me just save this one and then close this. So, and then I'll just restart, and then we will patch our Wi-Fi. So let me just save the video to started, and you can just go to Open Core Legacy Patcher. Let's open it, and you can download the app from the GitHub repository. So I've just downloaded it, and you can see right here on top, you can see the Wi-Fi. I can now turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi. So since we installed you can just download the latest version right here. So that's something I need to tell you. So let me just open the app like so, and let's wait for it. And I think you need the Xcode. So just let's wait for it. Our OpenConnect legacy patch, and this one is the old version, the 1.6.0. so let me just patch and see. You can see right here everything is okay, so I'll just start the root patch. Okay, you can see right here background item added. Let me just close this X code, and it's rebuilding the kernel cache. This may take some time, and you can see right there it has successfully patched our system, and we need us to reboot. So I'll just reboot, and then we can see if the Wi-Fi works. So let me just, Wi-Fi is working. So let me just increase the size of the cursor. Let's go to display. No, not display, accessibility, I think accessibility. And if you like this video, guys, please subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot and motivates me to make similar video like this. And yeah, so subscribe to the channel, like, share. I'll leave all the link in the description below, including the EFI. As you can see there, Wi-Fi is connected and it's working fine. So you can see my phone right here is being disabled, the Unisoc, and the Wi-Fi there I can turn on, turn off, and the Wi-Fi is working. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.